I hereby nominate Marcus Honorable, member representing Eastern West constituency for the position of the
Any
speaker.
seconder, please. Member representing Akoko Edisi.
Respectfully, Speaker, pro tempore, distinguished colleagues, Badi Emmanuel Ibadi, my representative of Akoko Edisi constituency. I rise to second the nomination of Honorable Marcus Onobu, member representing Eastern West, as new Speaker of the 7th Assembly. I so second.
Distinguished honorable members, do we all agree with the nomination of member representing Eastern West to lead this noble house as the Speaker of the House? If we all agree, could you all say yea?
Yeah.
If you don't agree, could you say nay? The yea have it. Therefore, distinguished honorable members, I hereby call on the clerk of the House to administer the oath of office to the newly elected Speaker of the House. Mr. Clerk. Member representing Eastern West, could you please come here to take the oath of office?
Do solemnly swear,
Do solemnly swear,
affirm that I will be faithful
and affirm that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that as Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly,
that as Speaker of the State House of Assembly,
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
faithful and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law,
faithful and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity,
solidarity,
well-being,
well-being,
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives
That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives
and directive principles of state policies
and directive principles of state policies
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct
or my official decision.
or my official decision.
That I will to the best of my ability preserve,
That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And that in all circumstances,
And that in all circumstances,
I will do right to all manner of people
I will do right to all manner of people
according to the law,
according to the law,
without fear or favor,
without fear of favor,
affection or ill will.
affection, or ill will.
That I will not directly or indirectly
That I will not directly or indirectly
communicate or reveal to any person
communicate or reveal to any person
any matter
any matter
which shall be brought under my consideration
which shall be brought under my consideration
or shall become known to me as Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly
or shall become known to me as Speaker of the State House of Assembly
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
except as may be required by the due discharge of my duties
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties
as Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly,
as Speaker of the State House of Assembly,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God. as the newly elected Speaker of the 7th Assembly of the Edo State, I hereby make the following announcement. The former Speaker, in the person of Right Honorable Frank Abumeri Okiye, is hereby suspended from the House activities for 3 months to allow proper and uninterrupted investigation into his activities. An ad hoc investigation committee is hereby set up to investigate the tenure of Right Honorable Frank Okiye, especially with regard to finances of the House. All standing committees are hereby dissolved and new committees will be set up in due course. All appointments of aides to Mr. Speaker and other members and to former Speaker are hereby terminated with immediate effect. The former Speaker must return all House properties in his possession to the clerk with immediate effect. I want to wholeheartedly thank my very respected colleagues for the confidence reposed in me to lead this House at this critical time. I remain committed to our working together to achieve the very best for Edo people as we look forward to a robust partnership with the executive arm in ensuring good governance. The ad hoc committee to look into activities of the former Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly is as follows. Honorable Henry Okwarovo will serve as chairman. Honorable Ephraim Alewosele will serve as member. And Honorable Ima Agbaje will serve as member.
Ima Okroba, I represent the Southern Methodist Group. Let me, on behalf of my constituency, congratulate you on your really results. I believe that your pilot will affect well and pray God to guide you.
Mr. Henry Okwarovo, Majority Leader of the House. I joined my colleagues and the entire House and even the body language of the entire staff to congratulate you on your election as our Speaker and the Speaker of Edo State, Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. I want to say without a doubt that your greatest strength is your wisdom and youth, and may God give you the final guidance throughout your tenure, that will have the best, not just for the House, but for our state, a proficient and an efficient House.
You are asking how true. The leadership of the House has changed. I'm with my colleagues, and the information you have is very correct. And by the grace of God, all the members of the House have unanimously agreed and voted me to represent them and lead the leadership of the 7th Assembly as the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly. So it's very true. The legislature is an institution, and they have the powers to run its activities, you know, and our powers is drawn from the membership strength. And if the members so decide what they want, and it's a unanimous decision, no dissenting voice, then so be it. There is a document to that effect. The document speaks for itself. So all you just need to do is to contact the press department of the Edo State House of Assembly to get the document, and you see all issues that arose. Like I told you, the leadership of the House is so decided by the members. And the members felt that at this point, they need to change leadership to strengthen the leadership of the House for better discharge of legislative duties to Edo people. And that is what we have done.
You are certainly aware of our very recent development in the Edo State House of Assembly. You also are all aware that the House, since inauguration, we have had a few political issues. At this point in time, we have decided to take the bull by the horns so that Edo State will have the best of houses. We have compelling reasons over and over and over, so many compelling reasons to change our leadership. But for the political harmony of the state, we waited till now. And every wise one knows why we waited till now, because the state had an election. The election is aside. We have a victorious governor. Over and above that, we want political harmony in our state. Whether PDP, APC, we want harmony. And we are going to do our best to create that level playing field. We therefore installed the collective members of the House. You see, we have what we have here was signed by all members. All members. All members signed. Yes. And we will get it to you at the appropriate time. Now, that shows that we are not even talking of two-thirds or whatever.